Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a 2013 Chevy Malibu. The left rear hub is growling, making noise. This is going to be that video, how to change your hub bearing. So let's get into it. Alright, here's my vehicle. Always have a jack when you jack up the vehicle so you don't get smashed, just in case. Alright, what we're going to do is get this 30mm Torx out. And then we're going to need to get the 18mm caliper bolts out and take this caliper off and take the rotor off. So let's get into that. Alright, next what we're going to need to do is take this wheel speed sensor out. There's a little 10mm bolt right here. Get this guy out. See, there it is, right there. Put it out of the way. Don't damage it. And then this bolt right here is going to have to come out to get to this upper bolt on the hub. So take this whole nut and bolt out, so this bar right here will move up, so you get your socket in there. Let me get to that and I'll be right back. Alright, after you get that bolt out, there is 3 bolts, 1, 2, and 1 right there to this hub bearing. You can get this upper bar loose, and then you're going to get those 3 bolts out, and your hub bearing should push out. Here's our new hub bearing right here. Like I said, we're just going to clean all this off. We're going to put the 3 bolts back in. I'm going to use a jack to jack this up so I could get this bar in line. Put the bolt back in. We're going to put the sensor back in, and then put the rotor and the caliper back on, and then the tire, and that should be it.
Retribution. Oh yeah, we want retribution. Oh yeah, we want retribution. Oh yeah, we want retribution. Yeah, we ran out of patience. Boil up with the cold hard hatred. I can feel the vibration. Feet in the streets, it's a new sensation. I wanna break faces on the pavement. I wanna make greatness look complacent. Adrenaline awakened, I can taste it. We can make an impact, grab and then take it. Like a disease, bring them to their knees.
This hub bearing took me about 35 to 40 minutes to complete. If you get it done in about an hour and 10 minutes, that's what the book time calls for. And if so, you're doing a great job. And that's about it, guys. That's how you change the hub bearing in a 2013 Chevy Malibu. I hope this video helped you. Hope you liked it. Until next time, please hit that like button, subscribe down below,
Have a great day. Goodbye.